September is National Suicide Prevention Month, and today bikers and walkers headed to the shoreline to bring attention to this important issue. This morning, both the Folks on Spokes bike ride and the Step Forward walk kicked off in Milford. The event aims to raise funds and awareness for mental health and addiction services. Your reporter Anna Stansfield explains.
For 34 years, the Connecticut community has come together in Milford, recognizing the struggles of addiction and mental health, battles that can often go unnoticed.
If you break an arm, you're in a sling. If you have a head operation, you're in a Band-Aid. But you don't see mental illness. You don't see drug addiction.
Many who contribute to the event know the real struggles of addiction and mental health and how they can impact an entire family.
My mom was undiagnosed bipolar disorder for a long part of her life because the services just weren't available in the neighborhoods that I grew up in.
Jorge Santiago grew up around addiction. His mom attempted to take her own life when he was a child.
As an 11-year-old me, I start to blame myself. Well, why? Why was she feeling that way? It wasn't until she got to the hospital and got treated that then, they were able to diagnose her. But if that treatment had happened earlier on, if we had recognized the signs earlier on, perhaps she could have gotten treatment earlier and that would not have been a concern.
Santiago is now the CEO of Milford Bank, sponsoring this event, making sure that families have better access to the care they need, telling his story in the hopes of helping someone else.
If I don't tell my story, then other people won't either. So I think if I can tell what it was like, the impact on my family, maybe others will say, hey, my family needs help.
1, 2.
More than 200 bikers got in the saddle to take part in the annual event this year, not only helping to raise awareness, but raise some funds too for Bridges Healthcare to continue providing the care locals need.
Towards programs that actually are running short with grant funds or reimbursement that we get from our insurance.
And giving people like Santiago a place to connect with others who have gone through similar things in life.
For me, part of it is healing, right? Being around other people who are dealing with mental health is strengthening, and it gives you that hope of like, okay, things can get better.
Your reporter in Milford, Anna Stansfield, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.